In today's video, I want to show you how to delete Telegram account on iPhone. To delete your Telegram account on your iPhone device, it's very simple to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into the Telegram you want to delete. That is, you want to log into the Telegram account that you want to delete. So let's log into my Telegram account now. So once you log into your Telegram account, then if you check the bottom right corner, you are going to see a settings gear or settings icon over there. I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, then it will take you to the back end of your account. So what you want to do on here, you want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see where it says privacy and security. So I want you to tap on that privacy and security. So once you tap on privacy and security, it will take you to another page on this account. So what you just have to do is you have to scroll all the way down to the extreme bottom. As you can see, we have where it says automatically delete my account if away for 24 months. You just want to tap on this place. So once you tap on it, then if you look under here, you are going to see where it says delete account now. Just want to tap on this delete account now, and your account will be permanently deleted from Telegram. And if you don't find this delete account now features, what you just have to do is very simple. Just have to tap on 1 month at the top. Just tap on 1 month. Once you tap on 1 month, what this means is this: if you do not come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted along with all the messages and contacts you have. So which means you just have to leave this account for 1 month, just log out, leave it. Then after 1 month, it will be deleted from this account. So guys, this is how you can actually delete your account on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.